Hi everyone, welcome to fall. It's that time of year when a lot of homeowners struggle with leaves that come down from their trees and wondering what can they do with them. I'm going to show you today how to make a rich leaf mulch out of your leaves and what some of the benefits are of the leaf mulch. Stay tuned. As you can see, I have lots of fruit trees. And they generate lots of leaves in fall. And of course those leaves fall down. And while some gardeners do just leave them where they fall, lying on the ground to decompose, I do something else with them. So usually the first thing we do is we rake up all the leaves into a nice pile. Then some we'll put the leaves into a bag and bring the bag to the curb where they dump it out and leave it for the city to pick up. But rather than getting rid of the leaves, it's actually a good idea if you can keep them. I put them in my compost, or you can get a wire mesh or chicken wire, make a cylinder out of it and put them in there. So my 3-bin compost system allows me to have different things composting at the same time. And so right now I have in the rightmost bin plant debris and things like apples and tomatoes that have seen better days rotting away. And then to the left of that are my new leaves from the fall, this fall. And I'm just basically piling them in. This bin was actually full right to the top and almost overflowing about a week ago. And you can see it's already gone down by quite a bit. We've got more leaves to fill it up with that we still have to collect. And then to the far left, what we have is we actually have the leaf mulch from last year. And as you can see, there's some leaves that have fallen onto it from the trees now, but underneath that is this really rich, dark, decomposed leaf mulch. There's a few sticks and things in there as well, but for the most part, it's broken down quite a bit, and it's perfect for amending the garden. So let's look at the problems that leaf mulch actually solves. One of the things is that in summertime especially, it helps to retain moisture. By forming a covering over top of the soil, it stops the soil from drying out as much. Problem number 2 that leaf mulch can solve is weeds. By, again, covering the soil, weed seeds don't have a chance to sprout. The third problem that leaf mulch can solve is putting nutrients back into the soil that plants have used up during the summer. Problem number 4 that leaf mulch can solve is that by covering the soil, it protects the leaves of plants from soil-borne diseases such as late blight that especially can affect tomatoes. And the final problem that leaf mulch can solve is it helps to protect the crowns of plants if you layer it on top. This is especially important in cold winter climates, perhaps not so important in wet winter climates such as what we have here on the west coast of Canada. In fact, leaf mulch might actually cause additional rot in the crowns. What are you doing with your leaves in the fall? I hope you are raking them up and actually putting them somewhere to generate a rich leaf mulch. Please remember to like this video and give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video comes out. Thanks for watching.